Learn how to install RetroArch in your iOS device, and also set up RetroArch, and run any retro games into it. So without wasting further time, let's start.
Launch the Safari browser and type exactly what I am typing, which is RetroArch.com. It is the official website of RetroArch. It is a leading gaming engine with great graphics interface and controls. So once you are on the official website, this is how the official page looks like. On the home page, just click on Get RetroArch as shown on the video. RetroArch officially supports both iOS and Android. It also supports consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo DS and many more. In order to download the RetroArch IPA file, scroll down until you find the iOS section. Now click on Download Hyperlink according to your iOS version. Next tap on Close to remove the ad. Finally tap on Download to download the IPA file. As you can see, this RetroArch IPA is almost downloaded. Now to sideload this IPA without a computer, we will use Scarlet. I have posted a detailed video on Scarlet. You can check that from the Scarlet playlist. As you can see, the Scarlet is downloading successfully. Now launch the Scarlet application and tap on this sideload icon as shown. If you have any issue or confusion, just reach out to me personally. I am happy to help. Look for the RetroArch IPA file which was downloaded earlier. Once located, just tap on the file to sideload it. As you can see, the side loading has started. If you are on the latest iOS, then enable developer mode, located under privacy and security. Once the RetroArch is installed, just launch RetroArch once, and this is how the interface looks like. Now once RetroArch is installed successfully, the next part is to set up RetroArch in order to load and play games. To fully set up RetroArch, we must download the BIOS files, which is actually an operating system in the game which we want to play in zip format. Unfortunately, I cannot show how I download these files, but if you have any question, you can reach out to me personally. I will copy this system folder consisting of all the required BIOS files and then copy it to the path, which is, on my iPad or iPhone. There is a RetroArch folder. Tap on it. Tap again on the RetroArch folder. There is a system folder already present as you can see. And finally paste it there and replace. Now once the system folder is replaced with the one I downloaded, let me show you that this system files consist of all the numerous BIOS files required to run the game. Once the system files is replaced, next download the game you wish to play, and segregate each games as per its operating system, like each folder for PlayStation, Nintendo and so on. As you can see, I have downloaded this Nintendo DS game, and placed it in the Nintendo folder I created. Copy the folder and go to the RetroArch folder, located in the path, on my iPad or iPhone. Then tap on RetroArch, and just paste it there. Make sure not to paste it on the folder, which consists of all the different folder including the system folder. Once this is done, just open App Switcher like this and remove RetroArch. Relaunch RetroArch, tap on Load Core, then tap on Import Content. Then tap on Scan Directory. Next you will see a path something like this. When you tap on it, you will see the Nintendo DS folder, which was previously placed in RetroArch folder. Finally tap on Nintendo DS folder, and scan this directory. And once the scanning is completed, just go back to this path as shown on the video, which reads Playlists on top of the screen. Scroll down and select Nintendo DS, as we are playing the Nintendo DS game. So select as per the operating system. Once you tap on Nintendo, as you can see it shows the game which we download, and moved into the RetroArch folder. Now just tap on Run, and the game will start successfully and you will be able to play the game. As I mentioned, if you have any issue or questions, just reach out to me. Check the link of my social account in my bio or description. One last thing to do is to make the interface more user-friendly, just by tapping on Settings, tap on Drivers. Then click on Menu, and select XMB from the list. Then go back and tap on Home. Next tap on Configuration File, and save the current configuration, and you are done. Now just open App Switcher and remove RetroArch and then relaunch RetroArch, and as you can see the interface is more like a console now. You can just swipe left and right, to switch the games. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in using PPSSBP in your iOS device, then watch my next video.